What do you do, y'all? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video is going to be another video about pocket options. Okay, so today is the day number 13 that I've been trading with this platform, and today I'm going to try the $25 challenge with my real account. Okay, so that being said, let's go around and let's see what's up. Let's see if you can find um, good opportunity and place our dollar entry. The trading time is going to be 1 minute and 45 seconds, and this is 1 minute per candle. Okay, guys, seems like I found our first trade. Okay, we still have to wait a few more candles. So essentially, we had the pump, we had a dump, and seems like it's going to reverse and go back up. If that's the case, we are going to take a higher position. Okay, so what I'm waiting right now is for this candle or one of these candles to close above this SMA. Okay, once the candle closes above the SMA, for me, that's a confirmation that, okay, the price is going to reverse and I'm going to place a higher position. Until then, I'm just going to wait, because I believe the price is going to consolidate a little bit more, and then probably around here, 1 or 2 or 3 minutes, and we will have our entry or confirmation if the price actually is going to go up. If not, the price is going to pump, consolidate a little bit, and then start to doing lower lows and continue the downtrend. Okay, so I'm gonna pause the video, give it a few more minutes, and let's see what happens. Okay, as you can see right here, the price is moving, but is not there yet. So I'm gonna wait for this candle to close, and once that's confirmed, the next candle is gonna be above the blue line, and that's a good entry for me. Okay, and also, as you can see, that the candle is trying to block this super trend. Okay, that's another confirmation for me that the price is going to pump at least to this next super trend. If that's the case, if we enter around here somewhere, most likely we're going to do we're going to have a profitable trade. Okay, so let's wait and see what's going to happen. And boom, I took my entry. Okay, so we are in 1 minute and 45 seconds to go. What I'm going to do, I'm going to pause the video, and if I have to roll over, I'm going to roll over just to secure my winning trade. Okay, so let me pause it. When you get to like 20 seconds, I'm going to press record and continue the video. Okay, so we got 20 seconds. Okay, the price is hovering where we enter. Okay, so if we win this one, it's going to be a very close call because the price is not pumping as expected. Okay, so we got 5 seconds. Let's see what's going to happen. 3, 2, 1, and we lost our trade. Okay, so unfortunately, we failed that trade, we failed that mission. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put 2.5% to recoup my losses, okay, and try the challenge again. Okay, seems like I found my second trade of the day. Okay, this one we had a dump, pumped a little bit, so buyers lost the steam. So I'm just waiting for this candle to close, and then from there I'm going to take a lower entry. Okay, so hopefully this one will be a profitable one, and from here we are going to make our gains. Okay, so if I win this one, it's going to be 766. I lost $1 again over here, so I will cover that buck plus more, right? And then I will try the $25 challenge again. Okay, so I'm just waiting for this candle to close. So probably my entry is not going to be on the next one, because on the next one the candle's still going to be in between this blue line. Again, the candle will have to be below, in this case, below the blue line. Okay, as you can see right here, it's right on top. So the next one, definitely, if the candle doesn't go up, it will be below. So I'm going to give it a few more seconds, and then if I see that the price doesn't continue to go up and goes above this previous candle, I will then take my entry. Okay, so let's see what happens. So far it's hovering around this price right here, right? So it's pumping a little bit, and if it goes a little bit above this one, then it's not going to be on the next one, so I'll have to wait for one more candle. So what I will do, I'm going to pause the video and continue when I launch my entry. Okay, guys, I am in, as you can see right here. Price was hovering around this price over here, and now is clearly below this blue line right here, SMA. So hopefully the price will continue to push down and we're gonna make our profit. So we got 1 minute and 20 seconds. So probably I will have to roll over to try to secure this trade, right? So I've got 15 seconds to decide. And we are going to lose this one. The price is not going the way that I was expecting, right? So it came all the way here and then decided to pump back up, right? So we lost this one. So let's look for the new end. Okay, guys. We just took the trade on Visa. As you can see right here, he pumped and now he dumped. And usually when there is a crossover, the price goes a little bit below the white line, okay, the 100 EMA. So hopefully this is going to be the case and we are going to secure this trade. All right, so hopefully we're going to make a profit on this one. So we got 1 minute and 25 seconds to go. Hopefully price will continue to push down, okay, and we're going to make we're going to make bank on this one. Okay, got 20 seconds to go. Price is very close to our entry price. It's gonna be a close call if you win this one. Ah, damn it. Nah, come on, man. On the last few seconds, he's screwing me over. Oh, jeez. Yeah, we got screwed on that one. Okay, so we're gonna take a higher position over here. And hopefully this one is gonna be a profitable because it seems like he's going to reverse. Hopefully, fingers crossed, this one will be a profitable one. So we gotta wait and see. Right, so we got 20 seconds to go. Again, very close to our entry. 15 seconds to go. Hopefully price will keep pushing up. And from here, we're gonna secure our price. So 76.80 bucks. Okay, 5 seconds. Last few seconds, boom. Okay, so as you can see right here, this trading session, we have made 1, 2, 3, 4 trades, and I have made 10 bucks. Okay, let me show you this spreadsheet because I actually achieved my daily target. Let me quickly show. Okay, here's my spreadsheet. So my spreadsheet, so this is the $25 challenge. Okay, so this is where I take profits. So, if I invest $1, I will potentially will be 162 and then invest, take some profits in between while I compound it. This one is a non-compounding. Obviously, after 16 trades, you can make 16 trades in a row without losing. You can make 32,000. Okay, that's crazy, right? I'm not at their level yet, but yes, I decided to set up myself a target, so making 5% daily. So today's session I started with 160.5. Okay, so if you come over here, we put 160.5. Okay, we can see that my target was to make $8. Okay, so my total balance at the end of the session supposed to be 168.25. As you can see right there, I've got 170.14. Okay, so I've cleared my 5% for today. So what I'm going to do, 170.14. So I'll come over here, 170.14. So tomorrow on my next trading session, I will have to make 8.50, to clear my 5% daily again. Okay, so today's video is done. I'm happy with this. So I've only made 1, 2, 3, 4 trades. Okay, so I'm cool with that. So for me, it's end of the day for today. Okay, tomorrow will be a new day, and hopefully tomorrow I will have better trades. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.